We're at Sanaa, which is the restaurant here downstairs, and this is our view from the breakfast table. We have a nice fire pit out here, which we do not need today. At certain times of the year that would be fun, but now you can get up a little closer to the animals. See the giraffes. I don't know where the giraffes went. Get a look at the back of the lodge, the main building. Cast members outside told us that Kidani is an African word meaning necklace, and so the whole resort is shaped as a necklace. And right now we're walking through one of the hallways on, there's hallways on either side of the lobby, and there's all these artifacts everywhere, and they're all original or actual artifacts, they're not copies. We're walking to the pool now. We just want to take a look at it and see what's here. Oh, here we go. You are here. And we're going there. Samawati Springs. We're waiting for our room to be ready. We got here super early this morning. It wasn't even, I think it was just a little after 9, and the room wasn't ready. You never know. Sometimes it is. So we went ahead and came. We figured we would just explore. We just walked through the lobby, and it's crazy. Everybody arrived at one time. See if we can get in here. Oh, we can. So we figured we'd just walk around and take a look at everything. So here's part of the pool. Well, this is cool. There's a slide. There's there's several cars down there from the Jungle Book. This is one of the things I love about Disney is all this detail, even right here on the steps. It's really, you know, like nice finishing touches. And of course, African music playing. I'm ready to go get my suit. Mark just said, I'm ready to go get my suit. This is really cute. Great place for the kids. Leaky water tower. Some climbing apparatus over there. Yeah, they got benches, but even the benches are really cute. Lots of design detail. This is nice. They've got a little shaded area over here for the parents. Just water everywhere so that you can stay wet. Water fountain, which is nice. Yeah, you're right. Mark said we would never get Daphne out of here. That's our almost 6-year-old granddaughter. Lots of very comfortable looking lounges. This is another thing I love about Disney. You don't have to bring your own towels. You don't have to bring your bath towels from your room. There are towels here. You simply return them when you leave.
Just so you know, those things squirt water. It hit me in the side.
Oh, okay.
I walked by.
Don't run it. Don't run it.
Mark said, yeah, you can see it. Oh, they spit mist. Yeah, I'm glad it didn't get my camera. Oh, it just did it again.
Yeah,
that's nice though. If you want to get wet. Oh, look, they have some vests for the kids. Nice big pool. Here's where the water slide comes out. The smaller slide. You have a 0 entry area here, so you can just walk right in, no steps. Great for little kids. Great for people who have difficulty with steps. Nice areas to sit alongside of the pool. Disney has really learned how to do pools right. They're very good at it. Over here they have posted today's activities. Looks like some great stuff for kids to do. They have a spa. So we have a full pool bar here. Here's your menu. Plenty of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, as well as some pretty good lunch fare. Here's a pool for the very, very young, right behind the children's play area. Perfect 0 entry and very, very shallow. We have a cornhole game. I love that they have all this stuff to do around the poolside. Great for families. Adjacent to the pool is Survival of the Fittest. This is the hotel's fitness center. We'll go see.
Lockers for you to put your stuff in.
Yeah,
so
that's
individual
nice.
Lockers, no charge.
There you go. Pretty nice size locker.
And apparently there's free stickers inside.
Yeah. We don't have a room key yet, so we can't go in. It's room key activated, but you can see.
It's all Life Fitness equipment.
Yes, Life Fitness is all I see. So pretty well outfitted, I think.
Yeah, very nice. Restrooms.
So I'm gonna take a look inside the restroom that's here at the fitness center. Oh, they do have a shower. Nice big shower. And a changing area. And more towels so that you don't have to provide your own. So we were wondering where everybody parked. It looks like they have underground parking, which is really nice. It makes kind of keeps that atmosphere of Africa without seeing so many cars around. The grounds are beautiful as always at Disney. Here comes the minivan. This is one of the new services here at Disney in cooperation with Lyft. Well, that was a partial review of Kidani Village Resort. We will do the room when we actually get checked in. Right now, we are going to head on over to the Animal Kingdom. We have a fast pass at 1:55. It's now a little bit after 11. 10:15. We just came in our room. We're gonna check it out. Nice big bathroom. This is the Kidani Village. Nice, really nice big bathroom. Cool little kitchen area. I did not know we were going to have. And the microwave, coffee pot. A few little things. even a few little disposable utensils and a can opener, some paper towels, and then the main room. We thought we were getting a king, but we got a queen, but I guess they didn't have any kings left. And a nice seating area, the table, and TV unit. And I think this pulls out into a bed.
It does.
Really pretty. I like the decor.